Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the large list view. So first of all, go to Change View, Large List. As you can see, the large list is very similar to the normal list view, but we've put more emphasis on the thumbnail for you to be able to see more details, and also used better the space for you to then understand and read better the description, or in notes, the content of the note. The other differentiation with the list view is, as you can see at the bottom, there's a little tag that then illustrates better what is the tag type of the node. For the rest, everything works the same as in the list view. The swipes, the hold clicks. So for more information, go to list view. If you have any questions, please let us know in our forum. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.